Well, finally back on the bike after the winter storm. Today is Sunday, February the 21st, 2021. Started a bike ride at 14 minutes after 1 after getting home from church. It's overcast. Temperature is about between 68 and 69 degrees. Wind is variable. I'm riding the Linsky R300 today. Have the new shortened stem, the 90mm stem on. First ride with that. Today's route, I think I'm going to just ride around Kingwood streets. Temperature's dropped a couple degrees since I got home, so it may be getting cooler. I'm not dressed for too much cooler weather. No leg warmers today. Riding on the Greenbelt Trail on the west side of Westlake Houston Parkway, riding north, headed towards Mills Branch Drive and Royal Brook Country Colony. I'll loop through there and then come back on the Mills Branch Drive, go through Wood Ridge Forest, going under Westlake Houston Parkway right now. That's the southbound lanes. This will be the northbound lanes. Along Westlake Houston Parkway, headed north over a little archway bridge, and there's where there's usually a lot of turtles, but I don't see any right at the moment. Water's a lot of muddy. Time is 29 minutes after 1, 2.9 miles. North Lake Houston Parkway now. This is kind of an entrance marker for Royal Brook, part of Kingwood. I'll ride through Royal Brook into Country Colony. Looks a little brown after the winter storm. Riding northeast on Ricewood Drive or lane. I think it's drive. Yeah. Turn to the left. This will put me into Country Colony, the newer portion. Turn right. Go down a couple streets. And then cut across the drainage bayou. Last time I was over here, most of these houses were under construction or didn't even exist in this section right here. So I don't remember how long ago it's been since I've been here, riding through here. Then on the street that I'm getting ready to loop back onto, which is Rimini Landing Lane, most of these houses were under construction the last time I was here. Looks like they're finished. Entering off of Mills Branch Drive into Kingwood North Estates. I'm gonna turn right on Right Way. It's better than the Wrong Way. It's the name of the street. Over there is my way. Frank Sinatra could have lived there with his song. Time is 47 minutes after 1, 6.9 miles. Peacock. I'm riding west on Knox Street, headed towards US 59 Frontage Road. I'm going to turn right on the frontage road and go north to Martin, and then head east on Martin Drive, across Loop 494, and then south on Kelly Road. Take me back to past Brooklyn Trails and then back into Woodridge Forest. Woodridge Forest, street with several homes under construction. Hi.